In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in PowerPoint. This is a simple yet effective way to keep your presentation organized and easy to follow for your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. To do this, click on your Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, where you can search for PowerPoint or find it among your programs if it's one that is frequently used. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you'll be greeted by its familiar interface. Next, you'll need to decide whether you're working with an existing PowerPoint file or creating a new one. If you already have a presentation you'd like to add page numbers to, go ahead and open it now. If you're starting from scratch, create a new presentation. And this is a good time to add any photos, tables, or other content you plan to include. Having your slides prepared will provide better context when placing your page numbers. Now, let's move on to adding those page numbers. Look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains many tools and options to enhance your slides, including everything from images and shapes to text boxes and, importantly for us, page numbers. Once in the Insert tab, you'll want to find the options labeled Header and Footer, or Slide Number. These commands are typically grouped together, often appearing near the right side of the ribbon. Click on either option, and a dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you'll see various options for customizing your slides. Make sure to focus on enabling the Slide Number option. Doing so will tell PowerPoint to display the page number on each of your slides. You can also choose if you want to add other elements like dates or footer text from here, but for today, we're focusing on the page numbers. Before applying the changes, take a moment to decide if you want these numbers on just one slide or all of them. Most often, you'll want them on every slide to keep consistent numbering throughout your presentation. To do this, simply click Apply to All. This action ensures that every slide in your presentation will display its page number, saving you the hassle of doing it manually for each one. And there you have it. You've successfully added page numbers to your PowerPoint presentation, ensuring that your slides are well organized and professional looking for your audience. This small addition can make a significant difference in helping your viewers track your presentation's progress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy presenting!